So now I will discuss the one more type of the FETs, MOSFET. So the MOSFET stands for metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor. So it is another category of the FET. Whatever this MOSFET is totally different from JFET, because already we studied junction field effect transistor. So this MOSFET is totally different from the JFET and it has no any PN junction structure. In the construction of the MOSFET, there is no any PN junction structure. Instead of the PN junction structure, when we compare with the JFET, so at that time, the gate of the MOSFET is insulated from the channel, either P or N channel, by a silicon dioxide layer. Insulated from the silicon dioxide layer, either from N channel or P channel. And based on this silicon dioxide layer, so in MOSFET there are two types. One is enhancement type of MOSFET, another one is deflection type of MOSFET. The enhancement type of MOSFET is more widely used because the polycrystalline silicon is nowadays used for the gate material, so instead of the metal. So sometimes this device is also called as the IGFET, that means insulated gate field effect transistor. So next we'll move to the construction of the MOSFET. Okay, construction of the MOSFET. So in the construction of the MOSFET, I will explain about the first type of MOSFET, that is called as the deflection type of MOSFET. Defletion type of MOSFET. And again in defletion type of MOSFET, N channel deflection and P channel deflection. Now I am explaining the construction of the MOSFET, that is deflection type of MOSFET with N channel deflection. Okay. So this is the construction of the MOSFET. So in the basic construction of the deflection type MOSFET, this construction contains N channel deflection type MOSFET. This is the N channel type of deflection MOSFET, and in this construction, the two highly doped N regions, these two are the very highly doped N regions, and these N regions are diffused into a lightly doped P-type substrate. And these two highly doped N region, whatever we are using the highly doped N region, these two regions represent the two terminal of the MOSFET. One is drain, another one is source. So when the drain and source are connected together, both terminals are connected together through the metallic contact to N doped region, to the N doped region, means this is and this is, whatever the drain and source terminals are connected together and metallic contact to the both N doped regions with the help of N channel. And in this case, one more important terminal of the MOSFET is gate. So this gate is also connected to the metal contact surface in between the drain and source terminal. Okay, so whatever the metal contact by the gate between the drain and source, and at the same time, so we are using one silicon dioxide layer. This part of the layer is called as the silicon dioxide layer. One terminal is drained from the n-doped region. Another terminal source is from the another n-doped region, and whatever the gate is in between drain and source, and there is a metal contact between the particular gate and the n channel. Whatever this shows the metal contact between the gate and the two n-doped regions. And at the same time, there is a contact between this all three terminals with the silicon dioxide layer. For this reason, there is no any direct electrical connection between the gate terminal and the channel of the MOSFET. Okay, so this is about the construction part.